Hello everyone, this is Daniel Duskowski with ACC Telecom. We've had some requests for a how-to video on scheduling conferences, both video and audio through the web client for 3CX. So this video is going to show you exactly what you need to do that. Once you log into your web client with whatever your username and password may be, you're going to come up to the main screen here. Off to the left-hand side, you've got a schedule conference option. In here, the first question it's going to ask is what type of conference you want to start, whether it's a plain old audio conference or whether it's a video conference. Plain old audio would be strictly a bridge, simply calling in, there's audio, there's no web collaboration, there's no video involved, there's no screen sharing, it's just a conference bridge that you would call into for a go-to meeting. You do video, you get everything I just mentioned. You don't get video, web collaboration, desktop sharing, things like that. For this example, we're just going to do a plain old audio conference bridge. The second question is when. Would you like that the conference to start now or later? Now would be once I put the information in, click the create meeting, instantly my meeting will start. If I do later, I can choose a date, time, and duration, fill in the information, create the meeting, and that meeting will be scheduled to start at that time. For this example, we will do a later option so I can show you the scheduling. So once you do the scheduling, you simply choose whatever date you want it to do, which for our example, we'll do tomorrow. We'll have it happen at 9 a.m. for a duration of 60 minutes. At that point, you give it a subject, whatever it may be, weekly call. Notes is this information you want to give to the callers before calling in. Maybe this is going over a new project. You can choose to enable or disable announcements. By default, announcements are disabled. To enable it, you simply click it off. What this feature actually is when you're doing an audio conference, if you have people join the conference and announcements are on, you'll get a little announcement letting you know that someone is joining the conference. If you have it turned off, if people just simply join in, they'll have to say hello, it's so-and-so from wherever, letting people know they're in the conference. For this example, we were going to leave this off. Below that is the calendar option. 3CX now has multiple calendars built in. There will be more added to this list in the future. As of right now, you've got Google Calendars, Office 365, Outlook Online, and iCal. For this example, we're going to use iCal. This is using your installed on PC Outlook client. Once I have all the information filled in, I click Create Meeting. It's going to ask you where do you want to save that iCalendar file. For me, I'm just going to save it on the desktop. You'll see it saved down here. At this point, the meeting is scheduled. I can double click on the iCal file that was created. Opens up the information, and I can simply save and close to add it to my Outlook calendar. At that point, tomorrow at 9 a.m., conference call will start. I can get the information in the calendar invite. You will see all the information you'll need. Going over a new project. To participant, please dial into this phone number with this conference pin. If you're an internal employee, people within the office can simply dial this number to reach the bridge internally and enter the exact same conference pin as the outside callers are dialing into. And that's really it. That's simple. There will be another video doing the same thing using the 3CX phone software, but there is a new service pack coming out very shortly that will change the way this is done. I'm going to wait until that new patch comes out to complete that video. But this shows you everything you need to know on how to do it for the web client. Thank you.